everyone, Medcake here. Today we're going to do a reaction video. This is funny cat scared of cucumbers. It's really funny. I'm going to I'll let you see what this actually is. Is it going to make me laugh or is it going to make you laugh? Let's see. Okay, that was the ultimate laugh because it got scared by the cucumber and then it got scared by its own feeding bowl. I forgot what you call those, the cat bowls. Is that what you call it? I don't know. Literally hilarious. I don't know. That laughing challenge, because I did it. Hello, you are a lucky cat, not an unlucky cat. Oh, it's got ear tufts. And, oh, it's really floofy. Oh no. It hit. What is that? What is that? I can't see what that bad thing is. Just look at it. Can you please look at the cucumber? Supersonic. I love cats. Oh, really fluffy. Tie me, say me? Oh wow, oh wow. That wasn't scared. Aww. This is melting my heart. Cuteness. Well, adults are scared of that, but it's touching the cat. I want to test that out with my cats and kittens. I want to see what they do. We saw this one. Reindeer cat. mad. He doesn't even care that the pickle's there. It's like, get this pickle away from me or I'll split your eyes. Okay, this is annoying. So adorable. Okay, that was the end. We're just going to pause it. Hope you enjoyed that. Yes, we'll be doing another one eventually. I think that'll be tomorrow. After school, I'm going to record. Possibly, if I'm not recording tomorrow, I'll definitely record soon. Anyways, that was a really fun episode. I really enjoyed that. I may have laughed at the pickles because it was very funny. I'm not gonna lie. Some of these actually made me close my eyes because it was so funny. But it ended at 5. I'm pretty sure it ended 5:32. It ended at that time. I will give you the link in the description down below of what video it is, and you might do your own reaction videos. This was really funny because pickles plus cats, ultimate fun. I don't know what cats think of pickles because it's so just hilarious, but that last one where it didn't care of the pickle, it was just adorable. The one most adorable feature about that was the kitten. The Siamese kitten, I think it was. Where I was trying to kill the pickle, even though pickle's already dead. Are they alive when you eat them or dead? I forgot. Because I don't eat pickles myself, I really hate them. I don't eat vegetables. That was pretty funny, actually. Adorable, funny and cute, family friendly. This is a reaction video. Why do I keep repeating the same things? Please subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want me to react to next. Peace out. Oh damn, I didn't do the right button.